Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install an tablet script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the master from the name. Now open the file, then go to config.lua. From here we can add our own application for our tablet. Currently we only have one application over here. Now we have to copy the item's name from here. Just copy this line of code from here. Now open the QBCore, shared, items.lua. Now come to the very bottom line of the code. Then paste that line of code over here. Just like this. So this line of code is for the new QBCore framework. I'll put this line of code into the description below. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's spawn the tablet over here. So as you can see over here, this is the tablet in our inventory. Now use the tablet over here. So as you can see over here, this is the interface of our tablet. As you can see, it is showing the current date and the current time over here. And these are the applications you can see over here. Now let's open the app store from here. So this is the application which we have into our tablet. To install the application, we just need to click over here. And our application got installed. Now let's open this application. So over here, this is the interface of our new application, as you can see. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.